Who doesn't want to make more money? There are 4 ways to increase the amount of money that you make. Number 1 is to spend less money. Number 2 is to increase your salary. Number 3 is to reduce your taxes. And number 4 is to increase your assets because your assets make you more money. Today we're going to be talking about how to increase your salary in 4 different ways. And number 1 is to ask for a raise. A raise is free money. You get more money for doing the same thing. And even if you ask and they say no, the worst thing that happens is they say no. But more than likely, your company isn't going to give you free money. So number 2 is to invest in yourself. 3 different ways to invest in yourself. The first way is going to a workshop. This is low time commitment. It's probably going to be a little bit of money, but in a weekend, you can learn a new skill and provide extra value. Number 2 is the certification. Certifications are usually going to take 6 to 12 months, but they're going to give you a lot more depth into a new skill. And the last is a whole new degree. I would recommend looking at different grad programs at your local university. Grad programs are going to be a little bit more flexible, both in what you can get into, the type of program you can get into, and the time commitment that it's going to take. A lot of grad programs have people that are already working a 9-to-5 job in them, so there's different alternatives like night classes and online courses. Investing in yourself to get a raise at your current company didn't work, you might have to look at getting a different job. And getting a different job can be kind of scary because you have no clue what it's going to be like. The biggest consideration for getting a new job is the quality of life. Is the extra money that you're making worth the difference in quality of life? You might get there and it might be a higher quality of life. You might get there and it might be a lower quality of life. Well, there's a few different factors that come into quality of life in your workplace. The first one's job satisfaction. Job satisfaction comes from your coworkers, the company culture. Do you go to work and you feel happy every day, or do you go to work and you dread it? The second big one is the time commitment for that salary. If you're working 40 more hours that week for an 80-hour work week and you're not making double the amount of pay, is it worth it? In my opinion, no. But some people, you might have the extra free time. That might be a really good way to increase your salary. And lastly, if those 3 things don't work, you might have to look at getting an additional job. Now, this one isn't ideal because you're putting in more hours for probably the same amount of money. If you're working 40 hours a week for $20 an hour, that's significantly better than working 80 hours a week for $10 an hour. But this might be a good alternative if you have the free time to put into a new job. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button so I know this is the type of content that you're interested in. And if you want to be a part of our community, hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out 2 to 3 videos every single week geared towards giving you the tools to succeed. I'm proud of you, I love you, and I'll see you next time. I have to work out. My beard's a little crazy today.